Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use my own voice on Suno AI. So let's begin. First, look up Suno AI on your Chrome browser. Select the first option. On the left menu, click on Create. Audio, you have two options, Upload or Record. We will use the Upload option. Then just click Save. And then right over here, just wait for a few seconds for the clip to upload. Next, click on the lyrics button over here and just copy paste the entire lyrics you would like to use for this. Select any style you want, add the song title, click create, wait for a few minutes, and you're done. That's how you make music with Suno AI using your own voice. I hope you find this video very helpful.